Previous section we discussed about the range, domain, codomain and sketch the graph of this graph of the function. Now we are going to discuss about the even function and odd function. A function f of x is said to be an even function if f of minus x equal to f of x. A function f of x is said to be an odd function if f of minus x equal to minus f of x for any number of x. For example, f of x equal to x by x square plus 1. Substituting x is replaced by minus x, we will get f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Therefore, it is an odd function. Next problem is f of x equal to 1 minus cos x. Replacing x by minus x, 1 minus of cos of minus x, because cos is an even function. So f of x, it is an even function. Next problem is f of x equal to 2x plus 1. Replacing x by minus x, that is should be not equal to plus or minus f of x. Therefore, it is a neither even nor odd function. Next one, evaluate the difference quotient for the function. F of x equal to 4 plus 3x minus x square. We have to find f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 divided by h. F of 3 plus h, x is replaced by 3 plus h. 4 plus 3 into 3 plus h minus 3 plus h the whole square. Abbreviate 3 plus h the whole square. Cancelling plus and minus terms, we will get the value for 4 minus 3h minus h squares. Calculate f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 divided by h equal to minus of 3 plus h. Next problem is f of x equal to 1 by x. We have to find f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. F of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Calculating, therefore we will get minus 1 by ax. Next problem is f of x equal to x cube. Calculate f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. F of a plus h, x is replaced by a plus h, that is a plus h the whole cube. A cube plus 3a square h plus 3ah square plus h cube. Substituting this equation, substituting the values in f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, we will get the value 3a square plus 3ah plus h square. Next problem is f of x equal to x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. We can calculate f of x minus f of 1 divided by x minus 1, that is minus 1 by x plus 1. Next one is increasing or decreasing functions. If f of x1 less than f of x2, whenever x1 less than x2, then f is said to be an increasing function. If f of x1 greater than f of x2, whenever x1 less than x2, then f is said to be a decreasing function. First one is f of x equal to x square in half open interval minus infinity comma 0 is a decreasing function. F of x equal to x square in half open interval 0 comma infinity is an increasing function. Next one, limit of a function. Limit x tends to a f of x equal to L, Heaviside function. The Heaviside function h is defined by h of t equal to 0 if t less than 0, 1 if t greater than or equal to 0. Left hand and right hand limit. Limit x tends to a minus f of x equal to L, that is a left hand limit. Limit x tends to a plus f of x equal to L, that is a right hand limit. Limit x tends to a f of x equal to L if and only if limit x tends to a minus f of x equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x. Next problem is limit x tends to 2, x square minus 2 divided by x cube minus 3x plus 5 the whole square. Substituting x equal to 2, we will get the value for 4 by 49. Next one is find limit x tends to 1, x square minus 4x divided by x square minus 3x minus 4. Limit x tends to 1, x square minus 4x divided by x square minus 3x minus 4. Substituting x equal to 1, we will get the value 1 by 2. Next problem is limit x tends to 1, x square plus x minus 2 divided by x square minus x. Substituting x equal to 1, we will get the value 0 by 0. This is the indeterminate form. So factorize these terms. X square plus x minus 2, factor of x minus 1 into x plus 2. In denominator, take x common outside, x into x minus 1. X minus 1 cancel out. After this, substituting x equal to 1, we will get 2. Next one is limit t tends to 0, root of t square plus 9 minus 3 divided by t square. Substituting t equal to 0 in this above equation, we will get 0 by 0. This is the indeterminate form. So conjugate of root of t square plus 9 minus 3, multiply and divide. Therefore we will get root of t square plus 9 minus 3 into root of t square plus 9 plus 3, that is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, plus 9 minus 9 cancel outside, t square by t square, numerator t square, denominator t square cancel, therefore 1 by root of t square plus 9 plus 3. After that, substituting t equal to 0, we will get value for 1 by 6. Next one, limit t tends to 0, root of 1 plus t minus root of 1 minus t divided by t. Substituting t equal to 0, we will get the value 0 by 0, that is the indeterminate form. So conjugate of root of 1 plus t minus root of 1 minus t, that is root of 1 plus t plus root of 1 plus t, multiply and dividing. So we will get the value 2 by root of 1 plus t plus root of 1 minus t. After that, substituting t equal to 0, that is 2 by 2 equal to 1. Next one, if limit x tends to 1, f of x minus 8 divided by x minus 1 equal to 10, find the limit x tends to 1 f of x. Limit x tends to 1, f of x minus 8 divided by x minus 1 equal to 0. This limit is common to numerator and denominator also. Therefore, limit x tends to 1, f of x minus 8 equal to 10 into limit x tends to 1 into x minus 1. Substituting x equal to 1 in this equation on the right hand side, 10 into 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 1, f of x equal to 8. Next one is, if limit x tends to 0, f of x by x square equal to 5, and limit x tends to 0, f of x, and limit x tends to 0, f of x by x. Limit x tends to 0, f of x by x square equal to 5, which implies limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to 5 into limit x tends to 0, x square. Substituting x equal to 0 in this equation, that is limit x tends to 0, f of x by x square equal to 5. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x by x equal to 0. Next one, result. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a equal to n into a power n. Next, n minus 1. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by n whole power n equal to e. Next problem is, limit x tends to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2x divided by pi minus 2x the whole square. Substituting x equal to pi by 2 in this equation, we will get the value 0 by 0, that is the indeterminate form. Therefore, formula for 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Substituting these values, 2 cos square x. After that, substituting cos square x is replaced by sin square of 90 minus theta. Cancelling 2 to take 2 common outside in the denominator. Therefore, 1 by 2 into sin pi by 2 minus x divided by pi by 2 minus x the whole square. That value is 1. Therefore, 1 by 2. Thank you.